As we are continuing our second day on the restful West Lake in the beautiful city, we're going to pan to our left and see our gracious hosts who are in high conversation as we continue our quest. A restful day after late hours of fireworks, wine, song, and booty. We have Cherie, and we have Emery, who's having her green tea.
Eating the green leaf.
She's eating the green tea. Hey, Emery. Emery. Hello. Huh?
He wants to take a picture.
Oh, okay, Emily. We're going to take a picture. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Come on, you want up here? What you want? You want to help me? You want to help me record? Here, you have to sit down. Sit down. No, turn all the way around, Emery. Come on. Okay. See, we have a recording. Say, okay, Emery. Say hi to Mommy and Daddy. Tell them to wave to you. There we go. Hello. Say hi, Emery. See him? See Mommy and Daddy? Okay. Okay, and we have what's coming up here? The museum? Read that, Matthew. Read that.
It says, Ellen can translate.
Okay, I like that reading.
Yeah, that's Chinese name. 西林书画院.
Okay.
Xilin is the name. Xilin is the name of the.
It's a restaurant or something?
No. Cook, magazine, painting.
Ah, it's a museum.
It's not a museum.
Oh, it's not a museum. Oh, okay. I got her. I got my leg linked in. Oh. What about him? Oh. Is that his? I thought that was someone else's leg. Can you do that?
No, not for real.
This guy's flexible, man.
And music.
Mad, huh?
I don't know if you can see, but we have a picture of downtown. It's a little bit overcast today, this morning, but we're looking at downtown.
No.